everybody, it's Amy Leone here, your independent director with 31 Gifts, your local bag lady, and I am here to show you what's inside this big, beautiful, big box. This is our new 2018 Fall Enrollment Kit. So inside of here is a box chock full of opportunity and beautiful, beautiful products. So I want to open it with you and show you what you receive when you decide to join the 31 family. So this is our signature kit. This season we have two kits available, the signature and the deluxe, and today I'm showing you our signature kit. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the large utility tote. Large utility tote is our #1 selling item. It is super popular for obvious reasons. It's beautiful, it's durable, it's versatile. You can literally come up with 31 different reasons or different ways to use this baby. This one is in our new pattern. What it's called, I cannot remember. But that's okay, because we change so often that we are not required to remember everything, and I'm my own boss, so if I don't remember, I'm not going to be upset. I'm just going to tweak this a little bit so you can see. And I love the way the pink embroidery looks on this background. It's really pretty pop of color. See that? So when you get your kit, it comes just like this with everything right inside of it. So this on the top here is our top-a-tote. Keeps everything nice and dry and dust free. It's got a PVC top here. This is great for sports parents, moms and dads going to the ball field. If it rains or drizzles, you know that the game doesn't end, game goes on, and this will keep everything nice and dry in there. So that's the first thing there. And then one of our second best-selling items is in the kit as well. This is our zip top organizing utility tote, and this is in the new origami pop color. I'm going to come close so you can see this color, because when I saw it on paper, I was like, it's okay. But honestly, now that I've seen it in person, I love these colors. They're so pretty. They're so fun. We've got a little bit of burgundy, orange, kind of this Merlot color with obviously the hot pink and black and gray. It looks really nice together. So this is our zip top organizing utility tote. This is great for diaper bags, teacher bags, or gym bags, even just a quick overnight bag. You have 3 pockets here, 2 mesh pockets, and then 2 pockets in the front here. How cool is that? And of course it zips closed on the top. So zip top organizing utility tote is a great item to go along with the large utility tote also. Next up, oh, I'm cutting my head off. Hold on, let me scooch down. Next up we have our natural canvas pillow cover. And this says Happy Harvest. Look how cute that is with the little green pickup truck on there full of harvest stuff. I'll throw that right here for you. Next we have one of our newer thermals. This is the crossbody thermal, and you can hold it with handles like this, or it has a long shoulder strap here that you can put over your shoulder, or you can go crossbody style for hands-free. So all my moms out there, you know how important it is to be hands-free. I'll tell you, 5 years ago, I was not a fan of crossbodies. Well, 5.5, I should say. My son is now 5.5 years old, and crossbodies are my BFF. Can't get anything done without them. So this is a great addition to our new thermal line, and that will come in the enrollment kit this season. And we have our Littles carry-all caddy here in the adorable little woodland forest friend creatures. I'm going to come close so you can see this one too. This one has a little bit of everything in here. We've got an owl and a fox and raccoon. I think, yep, there's a bear in there. Here's a little bear. Super cute. This caddy is great for so many different uses. It's got a little mesh pocket on the side. So my son has several of these to hold Legos, to hold all of his superhero, little Imaginext, you know, superheroes and villains. I also have one in a neutral print in our living room that holds our Kleenex, because this is way better than just a Kleenex box. And it's just cute. And then when we're sick, I use these for our cold caddy. So everybody gets their own, filled with their own box. And then the back has their cough drops and nasal spray or whatever else they might need. So these are great for so many different things. Teachers, these are great for teachers' desks as well, to hold scissors and crayons and glue sticks and all those different things that you want to keep organized. So that's a Littles carry-all caddy. The next one we have is a really great, super popular product called our Cinch Sack. And this has our cute new little fox icon on it. The detail, I mean, this embroidery is just, ladies, like, it's amazing. It's so great. Our embroidery has come such a long way. So these are great for like just a quick trip to the park. They're great for Disney. They're great for little kids for trick-or-treating. Halloween's coming up soon. It's going to be a perfect bag for that. My son uses it every year for trick-or-treating. The zipper pouch, another super versatile product. This guy right here will hold a full-size magazine. I love when I see my sisters in direct sales taking these. A lot of my girlfriends use these as their like mobile party or their catalog party. They will put their catalog in here along with some samples, and they embroider their name and their contact info on it, and this is what they give their friends to use when they're hosting a party with them for a catalog party. It's also great to use for, if you have little kids, it's great for a busy bag. I put in quiet toys for like church or a restaurant. You could also fit a tablet right inside of there. If you're going to the beach or the pool, all your sunscreen, sunglasses, phone, everything goes right in here. It's just got so many uses. Everybody needs at least like 5 of these. I mean, they're great. They make a great gift too if you fill it with whatever you're giving, and this is now your gift bag that can then be reused for whatever your recipient decides to use it for. That's in the origami pop. The next item is one of my favorite product lines. This is the Retro Metro bag in twill stripe. Retro Metro is one of my favorite lines because it's just super cash. It's really kind of like I mean, I'm wearing a white t-shirt and jeans. You don't get much more, let me show you my butt, hold on. You don't get much more casual than that. And this is the perfect addition to a jeans and t-shirt, or even just, you know, if you want some heels with it and spice it up a little bit. But my favorite thing about this is that all of our Retro Metro line has this little patch inside of it with various quotes on it. And this one says, every journey begins with a single step. You can't be more fitting than that to have this inside of the opportunity box, right? Every journey begins with a single step. You just got to take that first step. Last but not least, probably one of my absolute favorite items. I can't talk about this baby enough. Oh, here comes the sun. I hope you can still see me good. It's getting hot in here. This is the All About the Benjamins wallet. The Benny is the wallet that will replace all wallets. You will never need another one for the rest of your life. I will tell you that I am still using the one that came in my enrollment kit almost 4 years ago. And it's still in perfect condition. It breaks my heart a little bit because every time a new line comes out, I really want to replace it with a new color. But I have it in charcoal gray. It goes with everything. And it literally lasts forever. It still looks brand spanking new. Sorry, my husband's mowing the lawn, so it's kicking up the stuff. Let me come a little closer and show you. It also comes with the wristlet that you can purchase separately. This one just comes with the matching Merlot color, but you can do like a color block kind of look where you could do like Merlot with a black, or olive would look cool with that too. Even navy would look nice. So here is card slots here, a nice little flap here, more card slots back here. You see that? And then you have a spot here, and a spot for your change. Yes, your phone will fit inside of here. Your phone will fit in here. Your checkbook will fit in here if you still use one. And you can even have like a small little lip gloss. I mean, this guy is, even if you don't use like a big bag, this could be your like clutch type thing. If you're not a purse person, this would be perfect to just hold everything you need. So ladies, this is the enrollment kit. This is $99 plus tax and shipping. And you receive all of these items equals approximately, it's like almost $400 worth of products, plus what's not shown here because I don't happen to have it on me right now. What will also come in your kit is all of the catalogs, all of your flyers, get started guide, everything that you need to start your business. 31 is incredibly intentional about making sure that they pick the best products for you to start your business off right. So everything that I've shown you here are some of our top selling products every month. So they're really good about making sure that you don't have to invest any more money after your initial enrollment. Once your enrollment is in, you've got everything you need to get started. And then once, of course, you join our team, you'll have everything else, all of the training, all of the support, encouragement. We love having new people join the team. So I just wanted to show you this and show you what you can expect to receive when that big pink kit is delivered to your door. You pack everything back in this little tote here, throw it on your shoulder, and you head off to your party. This is all that you need. And inside that zip top tote will fit all of your paperwork and catalogs. You don't need anything else. If you want more information, go to my website, www.inthebagboutique.com, or check me out on Facebook, inthebagfb.com. Thank you guys for checking in with me. Thank you for watching the video, and I will talk to you all soon. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.